This is my Harbor Freight sort of garage metal shop. Uh, can do most stuff with this. Now that I've got the mill, instead of trying to use a little drill press, it makes things a lot easier. Got the mill for $1,200 on July 4th with a 25% off coupon, which made it $900. Added tax and delivery, total of $1,071 to my door. And the lathe was on clearance for $2,000, down from $3,500. This is 6 years ago when they sold the 13x40 gap bed lathe. So they had it for $2,000. Used a 25% off coupon. Got it for $1,500. With shipping and tax, it came to about $1,810 to my door. That's the old Harbor Freight MIG welder that I haven't used in like forever underneath the lathe. That's the Everlast 256S. I think that's what it's called. Yep, 256S. It does. It's pretty good at making good TIG welds, even if you're not a good TIG welder. 60 amp plasma cutter. I've got another video showing it cutting through inch thick steel. That stand, by the way, it's 234 pounds just from 5-inch angle, 1/4 inch. Making a little press down there, the 3/4 inch holes. There's the pieces that connect it together. This right here is a stump grinder I'm working on next to the 1982 automatic Honda motorbike with low miles. I don't know, it's kind of a boring bike, but it's in good shape. So this Rayco Super Junior stump grinder, it's the main shaft where it spins that disc with all the blades on it. That's worn away right there. Bearing wore away probably in, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch. I gotta pile that back up with weld. I'll just stick weld that and stick it in the lathe and put it all back together, and then it won't wobble anymore. I used to use those to exercise with. Now I use them as big hammers. That's my 40-pound sledge and my I believe my 35-pound sledge. So the Rayco Super Junior. I have to make a video chopping up some stumps. Anyway, that's the Harbor Freight mini garage shop. Total delivered to my door $28.72, I think, for the 2 machines, and then I spent a couple days with some I don't know, everybody says they got metal laying around. It's made the stands. Both stands are about a couple 100 pounds each. Anyway, that's what I play with in the garage.